Okay, we've done something a little bit different today. I'd heard or read somewhere that people take chorizo, this sausage stuff. Now, it's supposed to be refrigerated, but I'm kind of thinking that it's probably going to be okay. I did take the outer skin off, which I'm assuming you're supposed to do, and then I've broken it up. I brought this, very appropriate for meat naked, naked style, Japanese style chicken yakisoba. Obviously my Chinese is somewhat lacking. You're supposed to fry it first, but we kind of skipped that part and we just went straight to chucking it in boiling water. So we've cut this up. We got 3 nights, so that's probably 1 night's worth, and then 2 nights worth, and then that bit there should be about right. I also actually, and I just remembered this, I also brought some dried, let's chuck that in as well. What's that, I hear you asking? That's maybe about 1/3 dried onion. Dried onion, that's what that is. So we've got dried onion, chorizo, and Japanese chicken yakisoba. And then we've basically chucked it in here. And excuse me. That's actually not bad. It's quite spicy. I probably need to break the sausage up. But that's actually not bad, to be honest. It's different to my those boil thing pastas. And if your hands get greasy or mucky, this is why, you see, that's how you clean your hands. That's why I like to have grass inside with me, not all these extra ground sheet things, footprints, not all the not all these ridiculous footprints and everything. Have a bit of grass in with you and use the grass to clean your hands. I think glasses smelt some of things. See, that's it's the usual mess everywhere. Because I've just got the bivvy with me, I've got my foam mat here, and then a little bit of Cuban here, which is handy for putting things on. Look at that. Alright, well, we're going to carry on with Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh, let's see. Catch you later.